Ever wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income? Whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that converge. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into payapp.com. So this is the homepage if you want to sign up. We have here features, sell digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical products. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have your gems, customers, pricing, block mark, and marketplace. We have here login if you want to find your account, and we have here also get started for free. So sign up. So let's go to the pricing here. We have here for free forever. So we have all features, unlimited products, limited revenue. Then if you want to sign up for free, all you do is click over here. Also here we have digital knowledge, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. We make it easy for you to sell anything online answers. And here we have other information, you can read it to more understand. So let's get started. So then we have here, we write your first name, last name, email address, choose password, and create an account. So you click over here. If you have an account, all you have to do is click over login, as you can see. So this is the home page. We have a dashboard, we have products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, and we have a notification account. Here we have settings, store builder, video library, explore, marketplace, logout, use Payhip as creator mode, customer mode. So we have also here, welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to share your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep up the momentum. So we have the first step is done. So what is this first step? The first step is sign up. Then we have the second step is those three steps is important to get started. We have first add your first product, set up checkout, customer store design. So if you wanna add your first product, all you have to do is click over store here. Then we have control all aspects of your store, look and feel by using the powerful store builder. We have your store blog post, domains. Your store published version is up to date with the draft. All you have to do is click over launch your store builder. Then please add your first product before customizing your store design. We click over add first product. Then we have select a product type. You can select the one you want, but we select digital products, so ebook, software, and other files. We have also course, membership, physical products, coaching service, and bundle. So let's select the first one. Here we have a new digital product. To start selling, upload your product files, then enter the price, cover, image, and descriptions. So first of all, you upload product file, then you choose a title of your product and the price you want. We choose $5, for example. Then we have here cover, add image or embed audio or video up to 9 items. So you upload a product image. All you have to do is use canva.com. It's free, and this is my account. You can just create an account for free. Then we click over customize and we click over 90/20. Then this is this is the home page where we have a various image of products that you want. So you write your product and you will find various image. So for example, let's choose one image here. Let's choose this one, for example. So you can modify it, you can delete the link, the title. You can use yours. You can modify a lot of things. You can modify the background colors, the position. You can add comment. You can also quick actions. You can add page notes, duration, timer. You can show timer. Also, you can zoom, as you can see. Then we have here right view, present full screen, and ask about other thing. Then I forget one thing is share here and upload it here. So then we have description, add a description for your product, type your description. So first of all you have to do is go to ChatGPT and start now, then write, ask ChatGPT about how you about description of your product, especially which product, then it will give you a brief description about product, then you copy it and you paste it here. Then we have your visibility. Should your store visitors be able to see this product? First one, we have visible, everyone can see this product. So for sure let's choose the first one, and we select it because we want to sell the product and share it with people. Then we click over at product. So let's come back to the homepage. Then the second step, we have setup checkout, and we click over setup checkout. We have here edit your account details here, such as payments details, name, download limit, etc. You can use two options. First, we have PayPal account. Please log in securely with PayPal Bill to start accepting payments. You can click over here and link PayPal account. Then second one, we have Stripe account. Get started with Stripe payments. Click the button below and you can click over accept payments with Stripe. Then you select default currency, then enter statement description, and finally save settings. Then the last one, we have customize store design. All you have to do is click over customize design and you do your own design and you modify all of various things. So you've learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creation effectively. Now it's time to take profitable business. With the tools and strategies you have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait. Start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire awaits. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.